on AWS. In this lesson, you will learn about the benefits of using AWS's secure infrastructure and services. With AWS, you will gain the control and confidence you need to securely run your business with the most flexible and secure cloud computing environment available today. AWS customers benefit from AWS data centers and a network architected to protect your information, identities, applications, and devices. Automating security tasks on AWS enables you to be more secure by reducing human configuration errors, giving your team more time to focus on innovation and scaling. Select from a wide variety of deeply integrated solutions that can be combined to automate tasks, making it easier for your security team to work closely with developer and operations teams to create and deploy code faster and more securely. AWS is vigilant about your privacy. All data flowing across the AWS global network is encrypted at the physical layer before it leaves our secured facilities. And additional encryption layers exist, such as with VPC cross-region peering traffic and service-to-service TLS connections. AWS also features fine-grained identity and access controls that ensure the right resources have the correct access at all times. For compliance, AWS regularly achieves third-party validation for thousands of global compliance requirements to help you meet security and compliance standards for finance, retail, healthcare and more. AWS is also the only commercial cloud that has had its service offerings and associated supply chain vetted and accepted as secure enough for top-secret workloads. You can extend the benefits of AWS by using security technology and consulting services from familiar solution providers within the AWS partner network. AWS Security Services helps you define user permissions and identities, infrastructure protection, and data protection measures for a smooth and planned AWS adoption strategy. You can also gain visibility into your organization's security posture with logging and monitoring services, then ingest this information into a scalable platform for event management, testing, and auditing. AWS enables you to automate incident response and recovery to help shift the primary focus of security teams from response to analyzing root cause. With AWS, you can utilize event-driven automation to quickly remediate and secure your AWS environment in near real time.